To take out the front bumper, first we will lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I'm using a 4-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. We will start off from the underneath corner side of the bumper, and notice there is that one 10mm screw right there that we will take out using a 10mm socket and impact gun. You can also use a round head ratchet if you want. First screw is out. Right besides a little ahead is second screw that also needs to be taken out. Second screw is also out. Now from the middle we will take out a bunch of screws one by one, and all of these screws are 10mm screws. All the middle screws are taken out. Again, from the other edge of the underneath is the last 10mm screw that we will take out from the underneath side. Jumping on to the corners, we'll use a clip remover tool like this and a flathead screwdriver like that. We'll use both the tools to take out that clip right there. What we are doing here is using both the tools to punch in on the corners of this clip right there to take it out. I found this clip very fragile and it could break easily while taking it out. Would recommend to be extra careful while taking this clip outwards. Using both the tools from right and left, I'm trying to make some room to take out the middle portion of the clip. And after many attempts, there you could see we were finally able to take that clip out. Again, be extremely careful while taking this clip out. There's a high likelihood it could easily break while taking it out. Would recommend to use a combination of these two tools to take that clip outwards. Now from the bottom side, we will just grab the bumper and then slightly pull it outwards, and there you would notice the bumper pulling out. Now from the fender side, we will slightly pull the bumper from the edge. And with that, we are done from this side. Jumping on to the other side, notice from the other side that clip is broken. Maybe someone was trying to take that clip outwards but wasn't able to. Since the clip is broken from here, so I'll just take out the clip just like that, because we cannot take the clip out like that. And unfortunately, we have to break this clip just to remove it completely. With the clip removed, now we will pull the bumper from the bottom side. You will notice similar to this clip, there is one more clip at the bottom. Both of those clips are actually supposed to be pulled out. Again, we will slightly pull the bumper from the fender side. Both sides are done. Now we will jump onto the top part. Notice in my case, the top cover was already taken out for some reason, but in the perfect world, you should see that top cover intact on your car. And if you're trying to take out the top cover, just make sure to take out one clip from here and then one clip from there, followed by taking out 3 more clips from the other side, one right here, one right there, and then one at the end. In total, you're supposed to take out 5 clips from top, and once the clips are removed, then we'll grab the top cover and pull it out just like that. Behind the top cover, there are some screws that we'll be taking out. Right there, I'm taking out one 10mm screw. And right besides, it's a clip that also supposed to be taken out. From the middle, notice there are 2 screws that needs to be taken out. Then from the other side, take out the screw and then the clip which is right besides. Now we'll slightly pull the bumper from the right side. Notice in my case, the bumper had an accident, so it's already coming apart. But in your case, you have to make sure that the bumper is losing its grip from both sides, right and left. Once we make sure both sides of the bumper are loose and not holding on to anything, only then we will grab the bumper and then pull this down. Just like that, the bumper is pulled down. Notice in our case, we have one big plug in the middle that's supposed to be taken out. Press and hold that tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. In our case, that was the only plug. In your case, if you have fog lights, you may have to take out the plugs for the fog lights as well. With that, we are done taking out the front bumper completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.